Hey guys, you've told me you like these look back reviews, so here we are, we're doing another one. 10 years ago, we tested the DEWALT 12 volt quarter-inch screwdriver kit. It's model number DCF-610. Yeah, I got that right. And back when we reviewed it 10 years ago, February 2011, we were impressed with its size to power ratio. This thing is like the size of my hand, my palm. We felt that although it looks like a toy, super small and really compact, it was built and designed for contractors in mind. So the screwdriver, it's I guess what I liked the most, or I liked the most when I reviewed it, was it's compact yet powerful enough to handle all the tasks that we pretty much do, except for heavy, screwdriving and deck building and stuff like that, framing. So back then, when I reviewed it, we told you that it was a perfect tool for remodelers, electricians, cabinet installers, MRO guys, HVAC people, and even woodworkers here in the shop. And many other professionals whose job demands or needs fastening and drilling applications, right? So we also told you that it had the ability at the time, I don't think it can do it anymore, to drive 207 2.5-inch cabinet screws on a single battery charge. It's a 12 volt tool. The result was powerful, ultra compact screwdriver that was durable. And that's pretty much what we thought. I also remember back then I was impressed with the balance and torque, as well as the speed of the tool and the battery runtime. I mean, 207 screws, that's pretty impressive for a little guy like this. For me, this particular 12 volt screwdriver is great for cabinet installation and all around assembly products and anything requiring screws or little small nuts and things like that. What else did I think about this? Basically, the design feature creates a super well balanced drill that's light, and it's only 2.5 pounds, or 2.2 pounds actually. The contoured handle on this bad boy is famous, right? So it's DEWALT's digital, back when they did it, it was digital scanning 3D technology when it was newer. And still, this handle is still one of the most comfortable grips on the tool market today. DEWALT uses it on a lot of their tools. We felt that DEWALT did a really nice job with this at the time, right? They came out with the LED, three LED around the collet. Nobody else was doing that back then. They positioned these 3 LED lights all around that chuck, and it definitely produces way better light. We know this, it's been around for 10 years. Way better stream of light, no shadows, just better than the, putting a light down below here. Because a lot of other drills still to this day have one light positioned below the chuck, and you've got that weird shadow. The new design, the new LED light design at the time was done to eliminate those shadows and to illuminate the workspace better and provide much better light source. And DEWALT achieved that 10 years ago. Still going strong today. Back then, this tool sold as a kit for $140, and you can now get it for about $100. So it's come down in price clearly, probably because there's a whole lot of 12 volts on the market now. Our overall impression at that time, 10 years ago, we were impressed, clearly. This tool had excellent, I guess to summarize, it had excellent balance, power, torque, speed. Its battery and runtime were excellent. Its weight and comfort were outstanding. Can't beat it. I love the grip on the DEWALTs. They do a great job on it. The tool does represent the contractor's needs as far as giving you something that's super lightweight, comfortable to use. Really small, fits in your tool bag. So the question I want to ask you guys is, did we get this review right 10 years ago? Hell yeah, we did. We got it dead on right. This tool has stood the test of time, a decade. It now lives here in my shop. It no longer is out in the field. It's a go-to fastener for me for assembly and fastening screws. Small stuff, it's fast enough. The only issue I've had with the driver is that over time the battery slide has loosened. You can hear it. You can hear it rattling around. So to keep the battery in contact with, I have to use in contact with the points, I use a rubber band. And that rubber band just keeps it tight enough that it works. Look, small issue for a 10-year-old tool. I'm not ready to throw it out yet. Well done, DEWALT. I'm impressed. So guys, that's it. If you appreciate or you like these look back reviews, please leave us a comment, let us know what you think, and more importantly, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, and like I said, leave a comment. We absolutely love hearing from you, and it also helps our video channel rankings, and we need all the help and all the support that you can give us. If you're already a subscriber, then please hit that notification bell right there on the bottom. Your right, not mine. And lastly, don't forget to follow us on Instagram. We have 2 channels. Toolbox Buzz has a channel, and Concord Carpenter. I'm Rob Robillard. We'll see you at the next Look Back review.